First of all, I would like to discuss on the topic computing infrastructure. The infrastructure such as databases, software, hardware, network that are needed in our daily life computing can be taken as a computing infrastructure. In this topic, I am going to discuss about cloud computing, database, leasing or buying of computer equipments. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a marketing term referring to a model of network computing where a program or application runs on a connected server or servers rather than a local computing device such as PC, tablet, or smartphone. Like the traditional client-server model or older mainframe computing, a user connects with a server to perform a task. The difference with cloud computing is that the computing process may run on one or many connected computers at the same time, utilizing the concept of virtualization. There are two types of cloud computing, public and a private. Public cloud computing. When the network service is publicly made available, then we call it public cloud computing. This kind of cloud is formed to provide service to the public and when communication is effected over a non-trusted network. Private cloud computing. The network that is found to use within the organization, whether managed internally or by a third party and hosted internally or externally. They have attracted criticism because users still have to buy, build and manage them and thus we benefit from less hand-on management. Advantage of cloud computing. Cloud computing relies on sharing of resources to achieve coherence and economy of scales similar to a utility over a network. At the foundation of cloud computing is the broader concept of coverage infrastructure and shared services. The cloud also focuses on maximizing the effectiveness of the shared resources. Cloud resources are usually not only shared by multiple users but also dynamically reallocated per demand. They can work for allocating resources to users. The disadvantage of cloud computing. Cloud computing might require a constant internet connection and also high level of internet connection. Because in low connection, it cannot connect with any other server or computers. Cloud computing has a limited feature as well, and the data that are stored might be insecure or can be lost at any time. Databases. Nowadays, most of the company are using MySQL rather than the other language. MySQL is a popular choice of databases for use in web applications and is a central component of the widely used LAMP open source web application software stack. Buying or leasing computer equipments. Many companies today are having problem on this topic, whether buying or leasing the computers will benefit to the company. Because of the high price of the equipments, the company might be pulled to lease and equipments, but there is a similar chance of risk on leasing the equipments. If they buy the computers with high price and last for long period of time, then that will be the best way to out of from the dilemma. So that's the conclusion for the computing infrastructures.